inside scoop on Justice Verma's impeachment procedure. Chief Justice's opinion on three-member probe panel will be sought. The Speaker is to write to the Chief Justice of India over names of the judges who will be on this probe panel. This exclusive scoop on Justice Yashwant Verma's impeachment process. The information is coming from the sources that the Chief Justice of India's opinion will be sought in the formation of the three-member panel to probe the charges against Justice Yashwant Verma. This is the procedure under the Judges Inquiry Act. The Speaker is likely to seek recommendation from Chief Justice B.R. Gavai on the names of the Supreme Court Judge and the High Court Chief Justice that will be included in the inquiry committee that has to be formed in the Justice Yashwant Verma case. Sources tell India Today that once the impeachment process has been initiated and the motion has reached the House, it is customary for the Speaker to write to the Chief Justice of India requesting recommendations for the names of the judges who will be on this panel. The Speaker will be asking the Chief Justice of India to recommend which Supreme Court judge and which High Court Chief Justice should be on the inquiry committee. The name of the third panel member, who's a distinguished jurist, is likely to be decided by the Speaker and the Chairman themselves. Sources say that in practice and according to parliamentary convention, the Speaker and the Chairman typically consult the Chief Justice of India regarding inclusion of judges in the committee. Though this is not specifically required under the law, it is followed as a matter of parliamentary and judicial convention. Nalini Sharma joins me on this story. Nalini, big India Today exclusive on this issue. This is the procedure under the Judges Inquiry Act. Do we know more? Has the Speaker already written to the Chief Justice?
Well, Anisha, we are expecting for the Speaker of the Lok Sabha to reach out to the Chief Justice of India seeking his recommendations. And it's important to point out that though this is not specifically mentioned under the Judges Inquiry Act, sources have indicated to India Today that this is the parliamentary convention under which the Speaker often writes to the Chief Justice of India for recommendations not only with regard to which Supreme Court judge should be in the panel, who is likely to be the chairperson of the panel, but also which High Court Chief Justice should be included. Sources have also indicated to India Today that the third member, which is going to be a distinguished jurist in the panel, is going to be decided by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha as well as the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha between themselves.